What's happening? We are back in action. Back in action. We are freaking so back. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We got some people coming in here. Real Dominicans in the house already. What's going on, brother? What's going on? Man, we've got a lot of things happening right now. Good morning to everybody out there. So many things we got to dive into, guys, in this stream. I'm going to give it a minute because I know people are going to be filing in here. And we talked about this on the Twitter space today. If you guys didn't pop into the Twitter space, we do those every Monday morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm telling you guys, come over and check us out on those Twitter spaces every Monday. We call it the Crypto Breakfast Club. Okay? They're amazing. Great stuff was being said today. Man, I'm just so excited about where we are right now. So excited about the market. So excited about some various topics and discussions that are being had right now. What BlackRock is doing behind the scenes here for crypto and just the entire market in general. Man, it's a great time to be here. Great time to be here in the markets. Great time to be in crypto. When it comes to some of the top things we're going to address in this one, the tokenization of real-world assets is huge right now. The base chain is big. We're going to talk about top movers, small caps, mid caps, big caps. We got you covered. You guys know the drill. As you guys come in, find the three little dots, hit the like button. That'll send the bat signal out to everybody on YouTube. Hey, Zach and company are live right now. We got to get over there and check it out. So that'll help us out. Also, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Definitely helps us as well. So good morning to everybody. Hey, Zach, great to see you again. Market is pumping today. Yeah, Spyro, 100%, man. Or Spiro. Good morning, Zach. XRP running up very nicely. Yeah, we're going to take a look at all of that. We're going to take a look at all of that here. And yeah, we're seeing some green, baby. We are seeing some green. And we like green. Don't we? We like green. We like making money. So smash the like button and let's make some money together. Let's get our things rolling here because right now money is flowing in. Bitcoin ETFs inflows got to be heating up because Bitcoin just crossed 70,000. Isn't it amazing? Bitcoin flew to 73, comes down to 63, back at 70, all in a blink. Right? In the grand scheme of things, though, you got to look at the bigger picture with crypto. A lot of people, I think, were scared when Bitcoin went to 73 or from 73 down to 63. No reason to be afraid. This market is just volatile. That's just how it is. And man, it's just amazing to watch all of the opportunities that are out there right now. It's hard to kind of decipher which direction you want to go in crypto right now. There's so many opportunities. Meme coins are hot. You better believe we're focusing in there. We know and understand that that's a different sector than Bitcoin, Ethereum, totally different philosophy there, totally different way of investing. But hey, we don't shy away from any opportunities. Brett looking fire. Brett Lopez in the house. I see why you're bullish on Brett. I mean, you know, your name and Brett. But yes, Brett is looking phenomenal. Looked really good yesterday. That momentum is carrying over here as well. So Brett's still at a $400 million market cap. That is one of our favorite meme coin plays right now. And guess what? It's on Base Chain. I just put out a YouTube video, guys, on Base and some of the metrics. I'm telling you, watch that video. After this live stream, watch the Base Chain video that is out on the channel right now. You guys are going to be shocked. You're going to be shocked when you see the amount of money and the amount of activity that is pouring into the Base Chain. If you guys are new to Base and you're still trying to figure out what it is and what it does and why it's so relevant, why it's popping off, what's happening with Base, Base is a layer 2 network on top of Ethereum. Okay, so is Polygon, so is Arbitrum, so is Optimism. Base does not have a token yet, but Base, the L2, is tied with Coinbase. The amount of volume we're getting here on Base Chain is absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. So let's see here. Good morning, Zach. Great to see you. So excited to see green again, 100%. Kind of cool live in a short looking format. Yeah, this is right through the feed, right? Yeah, we've been doing these vertical lives. Kind of a little bit more intimate. We're hanging out. I got my computer right here. I can kind of see this. I can kind of see you guys. And sometimes I'll take the phone and flip it over, and we'll kind of do that. We tend to do that with these vertical lives. If you guys are new here, we do these a lot. So make sure you subscribe. We love it. We're going to get into it here. Kulo swap is live. I saw that. Yep, we are invested in Kulo. That's the meme coin on Matic. Higher we go, the more volatile it will get. Elon is also in green. Kind of cool. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. Yeah, bridging to base. It's honestly not hard at all. I linked it to my video that I made, how to bridge over to base. So when you watch my base video, I give you guys all the metrics, and then I give you a link on step-by-steps on how to bridge over there. You can transact right on MetaMask. You just add the base network, and then you basically get Ethereum on base. So your Ethereum is just the base form of Ethereum, and then you can transact with it just like you would on the Ethereum network with MetaMask. Super easy, actually. Super easy. What's going on, Big Z? EMAC, what's up? Have you seen the pre-sale for Bonk with Hat? No, I've not. VSG is a new coin. It's in the market. Yeah, we had the guys from VSG on today, actually. We had them on during the Twitter space. It was awesome. Been talking about those guys for a little while now, over a week, I think. Chart's been looking great, too. That's another layer 2. These layer 2s, there's a lot to like in the L2 sector right now. The Crypto Alliance supports Zach. Hey, what's up, Toltani? How you doing, man? Great content, even a better man. Smash the like. Appreciate you, man. Help out the old algorithm. Yeah, you know, man. You know how it goes. It definitely does help us out when you guys smash the like button. I saw Gaimin, Tech AA. Yeah, I've been looking at some new gaming plays. That one came across my desk yesterday, actually. Super big Twitter following already. I've got to do some deeper digging, but from what I saw, just kind of baseline, I like it. It's coming out tomorrow. Yeah, I like it. In fact, I'm going to put that on my radar. If you guys are wondering, it's spelled Gaimin. Gaimin IO is the Twitter. Here, I'll show you guys so that we see it. Yeah, this is what he's talking about. 345K followers. Very interesting. And it's an L2 on BNB, world's biggest source of decentralized GPUs, powering AI tech, fueled by 350K gamers, top 5 esports organization, Gaimin Gladiator. Yeah, this one came across my desk yesterday, man. I'm interested to kind of see what's what with it and potentially invest because I love the gaming sector. Mira is one of my top holdings in the gaming space. I love Mira. You know, outside of Gala and Beam, Mira is one that I really, really like. Up 12% today, Mira is, by the way. Making some nice gains there here today. Okay, so across the board, let's start with the big board. Let's start with the top 100s. So we got Arweave making a push here as the top gainer in the top 100. Arweave, and it's in the area of decentralized storage. AR is the ticker symbol there. It's ranked number 48, up 20+% today. ICP's basically up 20%. Talked about them earlier on the Twitter space. Dog with Hat, 18%. I guess there's a new meme coin on Phantom. Have you guys heard about this? Called GOAT. Just heard about this yesterday. So Phantom has a new meme coin called GOAT. They're up 17% today. So you wonder if that is helping their volume out a little bit today. Phantom's one we talked about way back in 2021. I still really like it. It's kind of been lost in the shuffle a little bit, you know, with all of the new things happening. But Phantom is a DAG technology too. Smart contract platform providing DeFi services to developers. The Phantom crypto, the token FTM, has been looking nice. It's an alternative to Ethereum. So it's one of the Ethereum small caps out there. Sitting at 3.4 billion Phantom. Not the Phantom wallet on Solana. This one's spelled Phantom. So that's been doing well. Cardano's up a little bit. We like to see that. Shib making some moves as well, up 8%, breaking out a little bit. Love to see that. Everything's making some moves here. Aptos turning the corner here. Stacks, some of our favorite plays, turning the corner here in the large cap space. So it's been a good, solid day here for large caps. Oops. Let's see what else is happening here. Let's see what else is happening. Let's take a look at some of the top news. Did you guys see this? Twitter's AI bot Grok. You guys know about Grok? It was hinting at bringing Doge payments to the platform. That was kind of interesting. Somebody asked Grok, the AI on Twitter, can I send or receive Doge on X? And Doge suggested that by accessing the receive function, users are presented with their exclusive Dogecoin wallet address, which can be shared with potential senders or linked to their X username, facilitating the receipt of funds. However, the desktop version of Grok painted a different picture, stating that X currently does not support direct Dogecoin transactions. It hinted at possible future integration, advising users to keep an eye on updates from X and Elon. Speaking of Dogecoin, I have been adding to my position there. I don't know if you guys caught it a few days ago. We started loading up at around 14 cents. I'm holding it over on Robinhood. I kind of just want to build a nice little strong position over there because I feel like it's going to go up. I know that sounds like so like, oh, that's all you got? It's like, kind of, you know. I don't know. I was like, you know what? I think I'm just going to build out a little Dogecoin position under 20 cents. I think it's going to get to $1 in this cycle. And I'll watch my Robinhood crypto account 5x this cycle. How's that sound? I mean, it doesn't sound terrible. So we've got 10,000 Dogecoin now over there. We had positions in Doge multiple times throughout the previous bull run. And we've entered back. First time we've entered back this cycle. We've just been focused on a lot of other things. We had a little excess. I had a little excess money, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to throw a little bit at Doge. So I think I had like 3 purchases there. Average cost of like 15 cents. I think it could be a good play if you're looking for something, 4 or 5x, give or take. Shib is pumping. Yeah, Shib is pumping, looking really, really solid. Up about 9%, almost getting back into the threes. That's what we talked about in our video yesterday. We said we were on the cusp of breaking back into the threes. We're right there. We just needed a couple big buyers, transactions to come through. We were kind of consolidating like Bitcoin was for a few days. And it looks like we're breaking out to the upside a little bit. Speaking of Shiba Inu, they just got listed by another major Australian exchange. So that helps out the cause as well. The exchange serves roughly about 300,000 people in Australia. It was established back in 2014. So that announcement was just made this morning. It's bitcoin.com.au. So Shib is now listed there to a new exchange out of Australia. So that's bringing more eyeballs to Shib there in Australia, which Shib is big in Australia from what I hear. From a lot of people I talk to, Shib is pretty big in Australia. So it could be even getting bigger there with that new exchange listing. So that's great to see. Also great to see so many new faces, man. So many new people popping in here. How's everybody doing this morning? Let me know if you're new. Let me know if you're just finding this for the first time. Obviously, we've had a ton of people find us this way recently, doing these pop-up vertical lives. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button here as well. But subscribe. We're here every single day, guys, grinding every day in these markets. Learn with us, grow with us. Let's build this thing together. Had a great Twitter space this morning. That was awesome. So, yeah, some good news around Shib there with the new exchange listing. The Philippines just announced early this morning that they're blocking the Binance exchange. So I'm trying to gather some more insight on that, but it did come out from Cointelegraph. So if you are in the Philippines, be on the lookout for that news. They're blocking the Binance exchange in the Philippines. So that's something you need to be aware of if that's something that impacts you. speaking on the exchange front, KuCoin has emerged as the first compliant global crypto exchange in India. This is a big deal because India is massive in terms of population, in terms of how many people get into crypto there. So KuCoin emerging as the first fully, they call it FIU, compliant global crypto exchange in India. So shout out to KuCoin there. That's a big feather in the cap for them. Got a ton of altcoin news too. Weekly top gainers so far, we've got Ondo, O-N-D-O. That's Ondo, O-N-D-O. Where are they at? They're in the sector of tokenizing real-world assets. So Ondo has been crushing it, O-N-D-O. We've also got ICP making up some nice weekly gains. Speaking of XRP, some people mentioned XRP. XRP has attracted about 1.2 million inflows recently. We've had some new buyers into XRP. So that's pretty interesting. People betting on XRP even amid the lawsuit that's ongoing. Looks like it could be coming to a close soon. That's good. We've also, Ondo set an all-time high, by the way, ONDO, the RWA token, real world asset token. There were some crazy numbers with Ondo. 3 wallets over on Bybit purchased Ondo worth approximately 8 million. So there's been some really big buyers of Ondo, O-N-D-O. So that's certainly something to watch out. Have you ever had a huge profit through crypto? Anime.world. Absolutely, man. I mean, this space is amazing. And it's not going to happen with everyone. It's not going to happen overnight. Everything's not going to be a success. But if you're in this space like I am and like many other people are every single day, and you're grinding, putting the work in every single day, you're going to win. You're going to win. Like, there's just too many opportunities. There's too many things happening that are bullish in this space, especially right now in this market we're in. If you lock in and dedicate the time and energy it takes every single day, there's no doubt in my mind you're going to be successful. And that goes for everybody out there. But you have to ask yourself, how much time do you have to really put into this? How much time do you actually want to spend? Because, you know, I mentioned this on the Crypto Alliance space last night. By the way, it's a great space on Twitter. You should definitely check them out, the Crypto Alliance. Search that hashtag, you'll find them. But you have to ask yourself, do you want to be an active investor or a passive investor in this market? If you want to invest passively in this market, you should not be chasing small cap. You should not be chasing meme tokens and things that are just coming off the shelf. If you want to be an active investor, you've got to be in it every day. You could passively invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and play the long game and do extremely well. But if you're somebody who really wants to get into the altcoins, because a lot of people will come in and say, you know, how do I get rich in crypto? Like, what do I need to do? What am I missing? What do I need to see? What am I missing out on? Or which crypto is going to 100x for me tomorrow? Like, how can you make me rich? There's no easy way to get rich, guys. I'm sorry. There isn't. There's no easy way to the top. It's a slow, rigorous, difficult climb where you slip and you fall and you keep climbing. And you've got to feel what it feels like to win and lose in this space. And the only way you do that is becoming an active investor and in it every day. If you're not in it every day and grinding, and I mean dedicating the time, energy, and putting in the hours, you can't expect to get wealthy on crypto. I'm sorry. You shouldn't just expect to go from something to, go from nothing to something. If you put the time in, you'll make it happen. It's as simple as that. Now, we've got some other news in the Memecoin community token space. This is an OG community token here. Floki. Floki, first off, their sister token, TokenFi. Has anybody been watching that thing fly lately? Absolutely fly. That's been amazing because of the whole RWA, real world asset tokenization narrative going on. But Floki itself also announces that Valhalla mobile app release. They announced the Valhalla mobile app release and record token burn as well. Floki's just been a phenomenal crypto here lately. And guys, it's going under the radar. People are not really paying close attention to what Floki's doing. They're nearly at a $2.5 billion market cap. They're up 12% today, 39% on the week, 614% on the month. Does that get your attention? 614% on the month. Floki is for real, guys. This is an OG crypto meme coin that has been around, and they are building out real utility like Shib is. They need to be recognized, okay? And they're often, I feel like, the most forgotten about OG meme coin that's really here, still building. Floki been around a very long time, 100%, and they look really solid. And that news came out this morning. I did see that. Floki announcing their upcoming release of the Valhalla mobile app and a significant token burn as well. Floki, it says here, plans to release a mobile app for its flagship metaverse game Valhalla later this year for iOS and Android users. This move aims to expand Valhalla's reach to billions of new users around the world, in line with Floki's goal of becoming the most recognized and used cryptocurrency in the world. I would love to see Shib take a page out of Floki's playbook here. Why not build their own mobile metaverse game? They've got a huge ecosystem like Floki. I think this is a brilliant idea. I think it's huge. Already existing on the OPBNB testnet, Valhalla has gained immense popularity, becoming the world's most popular cryptocurrency in the metaverse on CoinMarketCap. The game is scheduled to release on the mainnet later this year, further increasing its impact on the crypto gaming space. Meanwhile, Floki continues to dominate social media trends, currently trending alongside other well-known cryptos such as Luna and Polkadot. Floki's experiencing a record number of token burns too. Token burns as well. Over $404,000 worth of Floki was just burned in the last week alone due to high demand for utilities. These burns caused by the Floki staking program and the FlokiFi Locker DeFi protocol contribute to Floki becoming perpetually deflationary, which sets it apart from other meme coins such as Doge and Shib. That is very unique, and it cannot be ignored. And there's a lot of people who are missing out on that because they're not paying attention. So we are invested in Floki. We are invested in TokenFi. It's interesting. I have more TokenFi than Floki, but I would like to add to my Floki position here, and I'm going to be looking to do so throughout this week, and we'll see if that opportunity presents itself. But I thought that was some big news. So shout out to Floki and what they've got brewing over there. So that was some big news in the altcoin space as well. What else do we got? Shibarium sets a new all-time high with TVL surpassing 3.5 million. That's big. So Shibarium continuing to grow. The layer 2 of the Shib ecosystem, layer 2 on Ethereum. These L2s are crushing it. Will we see a Shibarium token, like an actual native token at some point? I don't know. Maybe. Be nice. That would be one that I would invest in, personally. Heck, same thing. I bought TokenFi within the first hour too. I was on that Twitter space, that initial Twitter space that they had when they were launching. I was day one, Hex, and I mean, I'm loving the gains. Absolutely loving it. I got into Floki on the dip last year. I just didn't buy a ton. I wish I'd have bought a lot more, but I spread it out across some meme coins. I've only bought like $500, which I'm like kicking myself because it's up significantly. But I do have a really strong position in TokenFi, which obviously is part of their ecosystem. Let's see here. There are some other news stories here that are interesting. You know, something we've watched for a while, guys, is something called Google search trend data. This is interesting. Google search trend data is kind of the precursor for big investments. And I've been watching kind of what's been happening there. It actually was brought up last night on the space. Butosco, a very smart individual, brought it up, and I did some digging today. You know the one crypto that is really ramping up on Google search trend data? Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. People are interested again. The retail money seems to be coming back. And I need to shave my eyebrow right here. I'm going to look like Anthony Davis here pretty soon. Jeez, oh man. Check out Dupe. Is a lit project. Adith, appreciate the $2 donation. There's Dupe. I don't know anything about it, but Moonbound with a $5 donation. Please tell them on that Elon is still under a $500 million market cap, sleeping giant. I like Elon too. Doge on Mars. I got a position there. I bought a little bit more last week, actually. Doge on Mars. Elon. That's an OG meme token as well. I like it, Moonbound. That one's been around for a while. That's the one that out of nowhere got listed on Gemini and Crypto.com. And yeah, there's definitely some upside there. And appreciate that super chat, Moonbound, and appreciate everybody being here. I'm loving the vibes of these live streams that we're doing here on YouTube. These mobile streams, absolutely love it. You know, guys, we're really close to a milestone. We are 27 subscribers away from 137K. So I don't know if you guys want to help us get there. Subscribe to the channel. Consider definitely doing that, hitting that like button, find the 3 dots, hit the like button, and subscribe. Really does help us out. I promise you won't be disappointed. We're here every day. You can rely on this channel for news, information. Market is pumping like crazy. Yes, Jason, 100%. Jason was with us from VSG token. They've been crushing it too. Adith with another $2 donation, putting in Dupe is Pepe's best friend. They talk about, oh, we got another one. I thought Brett was Pepe's friend. I thought Brett and Andy. I like this narrative, though. I like this meme coin narrative. I like Brett and I like Andy. I'm invested in both. So now I got to look at Dupe. I think it's Dupe. Is that what it is? There you go. You're getting some free love. I appreciate you, man. I have no idea what the chart looks like or anything, but all right, what the hell? We'll look at it. Dupe on Sol. Oh, wait a minute. 726K. It's way down, though. I don't know. I'm going to watch it. I'll watch it today. We'll see what happens. I like it. This is the start of the run. The halving is going to skyrocket BTC. Yeah, I mean, overall, I don't think we've seen full altcoin season. We certainly haven't seen the blow off top, you know, the retail demand. I agree. I think we're somewhere in the middle of this kind of run right now, for sure. How about that Cheers token that we talked about yesterday? DiCaprio, ticker symbol Cheers on Solana. Guys, that thing flew today up past a $2 million market cap. It's sitting just below it right now. We jumped into this thing at 700K yesterday. Our initial investment's already out. Put 500 into this thing. DiCaprio. It's on day 2 right now. Go to the hour by hour, though. This thing has looked pretty interesting. There's the hour by hour. DiCaprio. I got nervous yesterday, man. I held through this right here. We were here. We were here yesterday. We saw all of this happen yesterday right here. I held through this big sell-off. I was like, I'll let it go. And then, obviously, we've bounced up nicely. So, DiCaprio just launched yesterday on Sol. It's a straight meme coin. Not being compensated by them or anything. We just found it. Actually, shout out to somebody who mentioned it in our chat yesterday. That's how we found it. It's not listed on centralized exchanges. So, guys, I'm seeing a lot of new people come in here. This is really important. A lot of people are like, where is it listed? What exchange is it listed on? These meme coins that just launch out of nowhere, they're not going to be listed on exchanges. So you have to do one of two things. If you want to get in these, you got to educate yourself on how to use these DeFi systems. Okay? So if you don't know how to, if you don't know what Radium is, if you don't know what Jupiter is, you don't know what a Phantom wallet is, you've got to learn. You've got to learn. And I wish I had more time to do these, tutorial type videos, and I probably should do a little bit more of them. I'm kind of more in the news, and I like to do these live streams. I'm always balancing, but there are a ton of them out there. You don't have to listen to me for it. I mean, understand that these are pivotal things you must know, okay? So, Jetstreams, I appreciate you asking that because it brings up a good point. Any thoughts on Solana? I'm stacking a nice position in Solana, Luke. I really like it in this bull run. It's a household name for sure. Shut her down. Thanks for looking at Skid on Sol, 100,000x meme. Appreciate that. $2 donation. I have not looked at this. Success Kid, Skid, $8 million market cap. It's pretty far down from its all-time high. It's been out for like 2 weeks. It's on a little bit of a resurgence. It's interesting. I'll track it. It's got good volume still. I like that. I'll track it. Take time to learn how to shave. Nice, brother. That's a good one, man. Appreciate that. Do you hold Digibyte? No, I don't. No, I don't. Yeah, this is the playoff beard, man. Back in 2021, we grew the mustache out and the market went crazy, so we had to bring it back. I own some BOEM. We waited. Obviously, it went to 1.8 billion. We waited. We were on these streams right here, these live streams. I was like, I'm not buying BOEM at 1.8 billion. I'm not buying BOEM at $1 billion. The only way I'm buying BOEM is if it comes down to 600 or 700 million, and it did. And that's where we entered. And so far, we're looking solid on that. Where's BOEM at today? A little bit over $1 billion market cap. I'm fine with that. I put $1,500 in around 700 million. Only put 1,500 in. I missed the big blow up, crazy, but I do think there could be some upside there. So I've got about $1,500 worth on my Phantom wallet. If I was live on this phone, I'd show it to you on this phone I'm on right now. But yeah. Meme season heating you up on Chronos. Hey, I got my Chronos position stacked. I have not dabbled in the Chronos meme coins yet. And I know I've missed out on some. Memes going crazy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 100%. But yeah, Book of Memes actually looks pretty bullish here. Honestly. Looks like it's trying to break out. I mean, this is the Book of Memes daily here. And this is what I'm saying. Like when everybody was like, Zach, buy, it's 1.8 billion. Nope. Because the next day Binance listed them or they were listed on Binance during this green candle. But this red candle is the day, you know what this is? This is the day that Binance withdrawals opened. And look what happened. Shoop. Shoop. People took profits. We waited for that and bought right in here. Just like we said we were going to do. If you guys were on these, if you guys were here, you heard me say it. I mean, it was no secret. We said it and then we acted on it. We did exactly what we said we were going to do. Once we saw those Binance withdrawals that they were opening the next day, said just wait a minute. There's probably going to be some pre-sellers sell off significantly. And guess what? If it would have never happened and we missed the boat, I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that on a meme coin. But it happened how we wanted it to. It met our standards of where we wanted to invest in. We had a plan. We stuck to that plan, and now we're in a good trade. What looks to be a good trade right now. We got in at 700 million, and it's a $1 billion market cap right now. I'll give you guys, there's another one I aped into yesterday. It's kind of consolidating right now. This is one that some people told me about. It's very early. Meme coin on Base. It's called Friends, F-R-E-N-Z. We aped into this one yesterday at like 200K market cap. It actually ended up going to like 2 million yesterday on a spike. And now it's just kind of leveling off. Volume still solid though. Very low holders still. It's friends on coin on base. It's on base. Base chain. FRENZ. And just found their Twitter actually and gave them a follow. So interesting. Frenzy. Friends or Frenzy? So I just aped into that one yesterday. And again, when I say this, guys, I'm not jumping in here with money I can't afford to lose. Like, I'm just throwing some money out there. First off, I've already won quite a bit on Solana meme coins. So it's allowed me to take a lot more chances, right? Everybody's going to be in a different financial situation when it comes to risk. And as you grow that bankroll, you can take more chances on more meme coins. So yeah, friends, FRENZ. One that looks interesting. Donald Trump, one that we crushed on. It's pumping today, up to 41 million. We've got a little bit of a bag left, but we made some profits on that. Some significant profits. That was amazing. We were happy about that. Andy, here, let's run down the line. What the hell? What the hell, right? Let's get back to the daily here. Okay, so we go up top here. We'll start up here. Cheers, still on its day 2. 1.85 million. It's DiCaprio, ticker symbol Cheers on Solana. By the way, guys, none of this is financial advice. None of this is financial advice. A lot of these are Degen plays. I will tell you some of these are solid plays, investments too. Friends, we just mentioned. Day 2 since it launched. 517K market cap, 161 holders, good volume. This is on base. Tremp, we have a little bit left on this. Amazing comeback here on Tremp. Andy has had a really nice recovery too. Glad to see it. A little bit of a sell-off today, but we're still in this trade. Kendu. Ooh, Kendu's pumping. Kendu just set all-time highs. Holy shit. Kendu is pumping, baby. Guys, we put $1,000 into this. Now, this is as degen as it gets, guys. But again, I'm only investing when I can afford to lose in this meme coin portfolio I have. I'm very grateful, very lucky, but like, you can't just do as other people do, okay? I can't do what Elon does with his investments, okay? There's levels, But I threw $1,000 at this knowing that I was okay whatever happened, simply because I found it on Twitter with 600 followers, and Shaitoshi was one of them. Kendu Inu is pumping like crazy. It just set all-time highs. I got to go check my bags, actually. When did I get into that? Let's see. What's my Kendu worth? We got in... Oh, I got to check my sheets. We got into Kendu at 4.5 million. We've doubled up. And... I'm going to go take my initial out, which I have not done yet. I'll do it after stream. Won't bore you guys with that, but watch, it'll freaking pump or sell off like crazy. Okay. So that's Kendu. Somebody said, look at Shib. Is it pumping like crazy, or is it still up like 8-9%? Up 11%. We're into the threes. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Hell yeah. Let's go. Solana's pumping. Everything's pumping, baby. Everything's pumping. Let's go. All right, let's get through these small caps. All right, guys, we mentioned this yesterday. I said this freaking Bet Lounge, they were going to go on crypto banter, and it might pump. It's up 75%. It's on Ethereum. It was 1 million yesterday. It's almost at 2 million today. I have no idea about this, but I don't know if anybody listened. I aped a little bit, and it's up 74%. I've already taken profits. I've already taken 50% profits plus what I put in. I only put like $300 in, but hey, I'll take it. A successful trade is a successful trade. Stack your wins. Do not be afraid to take profits. Stack your wins. We mentioned TokenFi. Crazy what's happening with TokenFi right now. Crazy. Look at this. TokenFi is part of the Floki ecosystem. It's getting close to $100 million market cap. Look at TokenFi. We were day one, guys. Day one investor. If you were subscribed to this channel, you heard me talk about it. I mean, if you go to YouTube, you can listen. I'm not trying to like say, hey, look at me or whatever, but I just want you guys to know, like, this is what it takes. Like, we're in this thing every day, all day long. 4 months ago, there's me. Is Floki's new token, TokenFi, worth it? BlackRock says so. 4 months ago. Only got 4.6K views. There's TokenFi. Here's 3 months ago. Floki's TokenFi could be massive. Staking, RWA tokenization, global marketing, and more. Like 4 months ago. 4 months ago was like December. We were down here. Okay? We were at 3 cents. Now we're at 19 cents. I'm just showing you guys like what the moves we're making. These are the moves we're making. Okay? But we're in this thing every single day and we don't stop. We don't stop. Like, okay? So TokenFi is crushing it. Wolf on AVAX is looking well, looking really good, looking good. PAL AI, back over $650 million market cap, looking to set all-time highs. Unbelievable. Love it. Kazuna's pumping again. That's good. We need that to happen. We were down on Kazuna. Mumu, we talked about this at like a 40 mil. It's at a 55 mil, making a nice push. That's Mumu on Sol. MU. VSG, we talked about them. They're pumping. Wagme's pumping. Everything's pumping. Everything's freaking pumping. Everything's pumping. Everything looks bullish here today. How about DPay too? Shout out to DPay Devour. $34 million market cap. They continue to look really strong. Kalana's making a move. Another Solana meme finally bouncing a little bit. Where is Tips? Brett looks good. Where is Tips? Vault is up a little bit. PMPY, Prometheum's looking good. I don't know where. Oh, Tips is actually down a little bit on a pullback. It still looks good. Success Kid, bro. Yeah, we put it on our watch list. We put it on our watch list. For show. Tons of great plays right now, guys. BitRock's up a little bit. Operation Phoenix up a little bit. Hell yeah. Slurf is moving on Solana. Still at 300 mil. I'm thinking about making a play on Slurf. I was talking to my buddy Earpop, Ahmed. He likes Slurf a lot, huh? I seen him on Crypto Banter yesterday. He likes Slurf. Where do I see Doge price at the end of the year? It's hard to give predictions for end of the year predictions, but really what we want to be saying is like end of the cycle. And it's so hard to give predictions. You know what I mean? Yeah, PAL is moving. PAL AI looks bullish. I like Doge though. I got some in there now. We're invested, so I think we can ride the wave. I don't know. I mean, give or take, like I'm looking for like a 5 or 6x out of it. I don't know if the altcoin season started today or when it started. I don't know. I mean, it's just the market's been solid since October 2023. The market's been coming up. It's been on a nice uptick. Yeah, definitely. As we're getting a bunch of new people in here, I appreciate you guys for popping in. Definitely subscribe to the channel. If you guys want up-to-date news information, definitely subscribe to the channel. 5 or 6x. Wow, you literally said that. Yeah, that's not out of the possibility at all. We're less than 20 cents, so that's like less than $1, a 5x from here. I think that's very feasible. Very feasible. All right, Tom. I see what you're doing. We're just going to get rid of you, man. We don't like negativity. See ya. Just watched APU go from 25 MC to 28 million MC, 5 trending on ETH, Dex screener. Haven't heard about that. Is Bitcoin having end of alt season? No, not necessarily. Alt season is usually after the Bitcoin halving. The biggest altcoin season is usually after, months after. AVAX coin, I love it as a large cap, 100%. AVAX has been really solid. 2Bit, another YouTuber, he was talking about it today on our Twitter space. I like AVAX. I think it's got great upside. They're doing a lot on Avalanche. A lot. One thing that's really unique they're doing on Avalanche is they're getting into tokenized real estate, which is pretty interesting. That could be something to watch in this whole tokenization of real-world assets. Right? Definitely. Yeah, Cause in the house. What's up, y'all? I love it. Loving the vibes, guys. Loving what we're doing with these spaces. Loving what we're doing with this these live streams. I got a ton of other videos coming out on the channel today. I am going to jump and go ahead and record some more videos for the channel. The grind continues. I ask you guys definitely, when you do subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you get alerted. We put out short form content. We do live streams like this, regular live streams in vertical or horizontal on the screen and all that. We do videos, tons of stuff always coming your way. And I honestly want to just tell you guys thank you, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do it. I really do appreciate you guys. If you are interested, yeah, pretty much every day live. We don't have a direct time or anything, but we pretty much do one every day. Eventually, we might get a little time, but it's so hard to lock yourself into times in this space because I'm on meetings and making videos and breaking news, and I get pulled in so many different directions. When you're in this and you do this full time, it's hard to have a sit down. I'm not there yet. I'm still building. Maybe when I get to a point where I'm, pretty chill, I could just chill back and do my live stream, like Crypto George from Crypto R Us. He has people working for him. Like I'm a one-man show. I'm still building this little empire that I'm creating. So I know all of you guys are too. We're doing it together. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, check out all the content on the channel. There's going to be a ton of videos out today, and definitely consider checking out all the links in the description as well. If you're interested in trading crypto, we have a great leverage trading platform. That's a little risky, by the way, but if you are a leverage trader and you know how to do it, coming from the TradFi system, or you're a heavy trader, Margex is interesting. 20% deposit bonus for you when you use my link down there. XT Algo is my trading indicator company. If you're looking for a tool that will help you make better decisions in crypto, I've got that down there for you. If you need a VPN, I've got a great partnership with NordVPN. And then on my Patreon's down there, all good stuff. If you guys are interested in checking that out, please do so. And as always, appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I got to go make a bunch of content for you guys to check out. So thank you for being here this morning, this afternoon, whatever it is. And we'll see you. Peace.